Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to be going over some quick Glowforge news, new channel updates about what's going on with the channel here, and some other cool exciting news here with you. So real quickly, I'm going to just get the Glowforge news out of the way because you probably already heard it from a bunch of other people. It's been out for like 2 weeks now, but I just didn't really want to make its own video for that. So really quick with that, because it may apply to you or it may not apply to you, is the Glowforge. Glowforge actually emailed me about 2 weeks ago saying that they are now doing shipments faster for new Glowforge Pros, up to 7 days fast. The pluses up to 14 days fast, and then the basics are still about a 30-day wait time for shipping on those. So just a heads up on that, if you're looking to buy a Glowforge, now's a good time. If you would like to use my referral link, I'll have that down below. You don't have to. That's totally your call. The other news with Glowforge is they have been releasing a lot of new updates for the premium software. I usually make videos on those. I've been kind of busy with my secondary job and some other custom requests and building the new group here, which we're going to get into in just a second. But I will be making new videos on those too. Like they have a new cardboard proof grade setting and paper. So that'll be kind of cool to make that, and I think a lot of people could get some use out of that. So now that all of that is out of the way, that, like I said, that may apply to you or not, whether you're looking for a Glowforge or you have the premium software. If you have neither, let's go ahead and get into the next step here with some other news. So as far as like the channel goes, I know it's been like 2 weeks since I posted a new video here. That is because my last video, if you haven't watched it yet, is the launch of the new Glowforge at Home group. So me and Nick have been working on that pretty hard to get that launched. I think it's going really well. Within 2 weeks, we already have over 800 people. So if you haven't joined that yet, I'll put that in the description below as well. I highly recommend you guys check that out. We have file testers, sales leads for physical items if you sell just physical items. We have a huge list of tutorials. I really recommend that you guys check that out. We're going to be doing, well, I personally am going to be giving away some files here as soon as we hit 1,000 members, so we're not far off. Within 2 weeks we already hit 800. So if you want to join, get in on that first giveaway, go ahead and jump into that, that group now. And then in the future, we do have some group projects planned. So that's basically where we give out a free file, and then as a group, we can all create one together and then see who makes the coolest variation of that. So that'll be pretty cool. If you guys think that's interesting and you want to check that out too, go ahead and click that below. Now, as far as the channel goes, I'm going to be going back to regular tutorials probably starting next week. Or maybe even sooner, depending on if I get time. I usually get two days to work on videos and then a new design, 4 hours each, and each one takes about 4 hours. So just a heads up on that. That's why it takes a little while for me to get a new tutorial video out because of editing, internet speeds to upload, etc. So the channel will be back on path. But other really cool news with the channel, ever since launching the group, we have officially hit 5,000 subscribers. I want to thank you guys so much for that. That's like bigger than my entire hometown's population. So I'm from a very small area. I really appreciate it. It's amazing that we've hit 5,000 subscribers. Next up, let's hit 10,000, and then hopefully we can get up to that 100,000 mark. I know that's really stretching since Glowforge is usually around 30,000 anyways. So, but I look forward to seeing the future. I look forward to seeing Glowforge and just laser cutters in general expand. I also want to thank you guys because I've actually hit my 12,000th lifetime sale this month on my Etsy shop. So I know that's over a 2.5 year period, but I really appreciate you guys. If you guys want to support the channel, feel free to check out that Etsy link. I'll have that below as well. That's pretty much it. That is the entire update there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I look forward to seeing you next week with another tutorial. And I hope you check out the group. That way we can interact more. So that's pretty much it, you guys. We'll catch you in the next one.